proportions. Here is a lesson on proportions. You will solve for the x in each one. We'll do a few together. There are several ways that you can look at this. I always prefer to reduce any fractions that are reducible first, because once the numbers are smaller and more manageable, everything is easier. So I could do the cross reducing here, and I could do 15x equals 25 times 36 is a big number, and divide that out and finally get it, but that'd be a lot of work. And I could do it, and I'd be fine with it, except there's a much easier way, so I'm going to opt for the simpler way. If I reduce 25 fifteenths, I'm going to use a different color pen now. So 25 fifteenths, both can be reduced by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So what I'm going to do in this space right here, I'm going to rewrite my whole proportion with the new reduced numbers. So I've got 5 thirds equals x over 36. Oh my, this is so much easier now. I think it's really beneficial when you reduce like that to go ahead and rewrite it, because it doesn't look all messy anymore. It's a lot simpler to look at. So I can see this clearly and see that if I can go 3 times 12 is 36, then I can do 5 times 12 is 60. So x equals 60. Boom. On number 2, I can see already that 6 fifteenths can be reduced. 6 fifteenths, they both reduce by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Let me rewrite it over here. So I've got 10 over x equals 2 fifths. Oh, this is so easy. It's obvious that multiply by 5 to go from here to here. So 2 times 5 is 10, going that direction. So 5 times 5 would give me 25. So x equals 25. That was a nice, easy one. Let me look here. It seems, honestly, you can reduce every single one of these. It doesn't usually work out that nicely. Let's go and do this one, because this has some of the biggest numbers. $55 twentieths. You can reduce that by 5. I believe that's the biggest number. So this would become 11. This would become 4. I'm going to rewrite it. 11 over 16, x over 16, equals 11 over 4. Well, that is easy right there. 4 times what is 16? 4. So that's times 4. 11 times 4 is 44. X equals 44. You can solve the rest that way. I suggest that you take advantage of the fact that every one of these whole fractions can be reduced, and rewrite your new proportions with the smaller numbers, and they'll be really easy to solve, every one of these.